Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whether you are new or you're just coming back for more. Yeah, I hope you like it and want to stick around. So today we are doing a mask review. Sorry, I opened it before, I'm doing this after doing the mask, but that was probably really dumb because now I just have an open package to show you. But I'm doing a mask review of the GlamGlow BubbleSheet. So you all know that they have the bubbling face mask that it's like, you know, in the jar and then you put it on your face and it bubbles. But this is a sheet mask, which is really different. I don't think I've seen a sheet mask that bubbles. I'm sure there are a lot now because I've had this mask waiting to do a mask review for quite a while. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and let's get into it. I'm actually really excited to see how this is gonna work because I've tried like bubbling ones before. It was just like a cheapo brand. It wasn't this GlamGlow brand, and it just kind of irritated my skin. But this is a sheet mask, and it's a GlamGlow brand, so it's like, you know, the good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my ring. Just I don't like getting slimy stuff on it. It makes it less shiny. So let's see. Is there any instructions? Unfold mask. Place on face. Blah blah blah. Bubbles form in 60 seconds and then leave on for 3 minutes. Move, gently massage face, rinse clean with water. Okay. So I got this open. It smells kind of like lemons. And kind of like, I'm trying to think, like maybe honey. I can't think of what it is. It's like citrusy and sweet. So we're just gonna open this up. Fold. This sheet is actually really thick. Like, I'm not used to such a. Is there like an inside or an outside? No. Does anyone else feel like a monster? Like you're turning into a serial killer whenever you put a sheet mask on? Especially with this one being like black. It looks like one of those ski masks. So I already started bubbling. It did say 60 seconds, but that was more like 10. Am I cute looking yet? Is this making me prettier? I've got bubbles all over my hands now. Like, what do I do with these? Oh, it's on my mouth. It's so slimy, it's just sliding around. Well, I'm definitely getting bubbles, so I guess we gotta wait 3 minutes. Let's see, what time is it? 6:32, so at 6:35 we'll take this off and follow the rest. I've got bubbles on my eyelashes. Oh man. So it has been... Oh, it's time to wash it off. It's been the 3 minutes. This is all the bubbling that it did. I was expecting a lot more. It's just now starting to get itchy, so let's go ahead and take it off. Oh. Bubbles. Oh no. Oh no. It landed on my mic. I took it off and just like slammed the mask right into my mic because I'm also trying to like bring my mic closer, get better audio. Really hope it works. I'm trying to figure out better quality. What do I do with this now? I guess we're gonna set it there. So this is the bubbles that stayed on my face. Let's see, do I have to massage it in? Yeah, I already said this. Remove mask and gently massage face with remaining cleansing bubbles. Ew. I feel like I'm just washing my face, but with way too much soap. Look at all the soap. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm supposed to rinse this clean with water. It's probably gonna take me a minute because this is like so much. Like, I can feel it'll lather up even more. It's just kind of dry because there's not water. It's probably gonna make a mess of my bathroom, but let's go wash it off. Okay, now that my face is rinsed off, I can put my ring back on. So it actually rinsed off a lot easier than I thought it was going to. I thought it was just gonna like get wet and then lather up more, which it did not, but it did spread because it was very slimy. Like the bubbles looked like soap bubbles, but they were slimier and thicker. Really weird, really gross. I think my face looks pretty good. What is this supposed to do? Hydrate? Oxygenating deep cleansing mask. This is supposed to like deep clean, oxygenate, detoxify, purify face makeup removal. That's pretty cool. Green tea leaf teoxy. So I guess it's supposed to just really clean. Sorry, I got the hiccups. It's supposed to like really clean your face, and you can have a full face of makeup on and then put this on. The headband's popping off. I look real dumb and kind of crazy. That's been my life for the past couple months. It's why I haven't filmed in so long. It's why I'm kind of hyper right now, trying to focus and film, because it's been so long since I filmed and had just time to sit down. But it's my last week of classes. I graduate this Saturday. I am so excited. Okay, anyway. So, my mirror right here. My skin does look very clean. When I was rinsing it off, it felt very clean, like squeaky clean, like your teeth after the dentist. My nose feels a lot less oily. Probably gonna get back to being oily since I just touched it. But yeah, my face looks great. It doesn't like feel hydrated or anything. That's not really something this advertises it will do though, so I guess you can't expect too much from it. And yeah, I have a little bit of a red patch right here where I started getting itchy when it was time to take the mask off. My face started getting itchy, and while I was rinsing it off, it started to get itchy. But it's fading really fast. I don't know, can you guys like see like right here? Everywhere else was pretty much fine. They do some brightening stuff or something. I'll look a mess. But yeah, overall I think it's a pretty good mask. Way better than the off-brand, because the off-brand one, I was itchy like right away. I don't know if I filmed that one. Or if I filmed it and then never got around to it. I have no clue. But the off-brand was not that great. And whatever was in it was probably bad for you because it hurt. I'm trying to think. I guess I should have put on some makeup because I didn't know you could do this and remove your makeup with it. That seems very strange to me, but I guess I'm gonna have to get another one of these and try that out. So I guess I'm giving my thumbs up. You guys should try it out. It's kind of cool. I like just masks that are a little bit different rather than the usual put it on, wash it off. This is basically the same thing, but it's bubbles. Like, bubbles. Bubbles are great. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this mask in the comments down below, if you've tried it or if you're going to try it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.